how to customize shapes in Figma. So we're going to explore how to customize shapes in Figma today. Whether you're looking to tweak colors, add effects, or create something unique, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First thing first, let's quickly add a shape to work with. Select the shape tool from the bottom bar. This includes options like rectangle, ellipse, polygon, and you name it, all different kind of shapes. I think I'm gonna go with rectangle. Just click and drag onto the canvas to create a shape like this. Okay, now that we have our shape, let's move on to the customization part. One of the first thing you likely want to customize is, I guess, pretty the color, obviously. Here's how to do it. So as you can see, once you have created a shape, you can go to the right side bar and you'll be able to see all these different kind of options. And you have to make sure you go to the fill section over here. Simply tap into the color box at the side. You can either use a color picker like this, or you can simply, input the hex code over here and work with it. So if you have any specific color, you can simply use this, or I think I'm gonna go with, okay, how about more like blue? Alright, it's very vibrant. So okay, once you selected the color, and now it has a very, very vibrant new color, let's add a stroke. Okay, so in order to do that, let's go to the right sidebar again. Here you can see the option of stroke. Tap into that plus icon and you'll see this option. You can, choose any color. Since I'm choosing blue right now, I think I'm gonna go something obviously darker. Okay, something black. Okay, as you can see, it has created the stroke like a outline to the rectangle, and it has give something like, it has helped the rectangle to stand out. So this is how you customize. So okay, you can keep on like experimenting with the stroke styles. It can really enhance your design, as you can see. So if you're working with rectangles, you can also go with another option. So as you can see right now, you cannot see any option. In order to see those options again, you have to tap into the shape, and there you go. The option will appear again. So let's go to the effects. This is the effects. Tap into that plus icon, and now you can choose what kind of effect you want. You either want an inner shadow, or drop shadow, or layer blur, or background blur. Okay, maybe I'm gonna go with the inner shadow today. So let's tap into that. You can also change the position or how the colors even. So let's tap into the inner shadow and let's go with the effect settings. Let's go to the color. I think darker would be great. Alright, how about I go with change it a bit, let's make it up to purple, so it can be a little bit different. And this is it. You'll be amazed at how just a little shadow can transfer your shape like this. And that's it. You've now learned how to customize shapes in Figma, from changing colors to adding effects. This is a powerful skill to elevate your design game. So I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial, and I hope this was helpful. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.